Good morning. Today let's study Chapter 4, Bones and Muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are hard and muscles are soft. We have 206 bones in our body. All the bones in the human body together form the skeletal system. Bones give shape to our body, otherwise we will look like a jelly. Bones give support to our body and makes us to stand straight. Bones protect our body organs. For example, skull protects our brain. Ribs protect our heart and lungs. Bones, along with the muscles, help our body to move around. Bones are hard outside, and at the center of the bones, there's a soft, jelly like substance called bone marrow. Joint is a place where two bones meet. For example, our knees and elbows are joints. Joints have a tough, elastic like substance called cartilage. Cartilage, along with a synovial fluid, allows joints to rub against each other smoothly and not wear out. If we do not have joints, we will not be able to bend our legs, hands, or even bend our backbone. Bones in our body are living things. They are made of blood cells, which help them to grow and repair themselves. When a bone breaks, it can get back together within days. Now let's study muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles pull the bones to make them move. So both our muscles and bones work together to make our body to move. Tendons connect muscles to the bones. Our bones help us to run, walk, and play, and to do various activities. There are two types of muscles: voluntary and involuntary muscles. Totally, there are about 640 muscles in our body. Now, when we speak about voluntary muscles are muscles that are under our conscious control. Voluntary muscles are attached to the skeleton. They help us to move our legs, arms, and other parts of our body with our control. Involuntary muscles are muscles that are not under our conscious control. Involuntary muscles are found in our stomach, intestines, heart, and etc. They work without our control. To have healthy bones and muscles, we should exercise every day, like cycling, swimming, running, playing outdoors are some of the ways that help our bones and muscles. We should get sufficient amount of rest, eat food that is rich in calcium and protein like milk, eggs, etc. Remember to have a good posture while sitting, standing, or walking. Good posture keeps us fit. Bad posture can hurt our body always. Keep a straight posture. Joints. There are 4 kinds of joints. The joints are named according to their movement. The pivot joint is a joint found between the first 2 vertebrae. It can move your neck all around. Then you have the hinge joint. The hinge joint allows you to move or make a movement back and forth like the opening of a door and the closing of a door. Then you have the ball and socket joint. This joint allows movement in many directions. On one end of the bone is the shape of a ball, whereas the other end of the bone is a hollow just like a socket in the bone. You have the shoulder joint and the hip joint that has socket joints. The gliding joint is found between the surfaces of 2 flat bones that are held together. These type of joints can slide over one another and can move from side to side as well as backward and forward. You find these joints in the wrists and the ankles.